Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree and I film content on so many different things: fashion, lifestyle, travel, and now a whole lot of home decor, home renovations, home projects, DIYs, you name it. I'm gonna start filming it because my boyfriend and I just bought our first house and we are in the process of turning this house into a home. I am extra excited for this video because it's my first official home focused video on my channel since we moved into this house. And it's also in partnership with one of my favorite brands of all time, Quince. Quince is actually partnering with me on today's video and I could not be more grateful. I love Quince. I have been ordering their clothing and accessories, purses, shoes, you name it, for years and years and years. So every single time that they partner with me, I'm just like, me? Like, it's such a pinch me moment. It's just such an incredible opportunity and I am so internally grateful. So thank you, Quince, again for partnering with me on today's video. It sent me over a bunch of bedding for our master bedroom and a set of curtains for our guest bedroom. So I'm so excited to finally open these up, feel them, look at them, and show you guys everything and give you my honest review. I made a little afternoon coffee, so let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Actually, I'm going to give you an outfit of the day as well because I'm literally wearing all Quince right now, and that was not even on purpose. I just got this package in the mail from them, so let me show you. Okay, so here is my top. This is one of my favorite little sweater tees from them. I have it in so many different colors: cream, black, gray, striped, you name it, I have it. And then these are actually new to their website. These are their corduroy pants. They're just like a straight leg fit. They're so lightweight and comfortable. I love corduroy and I'm loving this green color for the winter time. So this is actually my outfit of the day. I will go ahead and link it down in the description box for you guys so you can shop some of my favorite clothing pieces and all of this beautiful bedding they sent me. Now let's get started with the haul of all of the bedding and stuff that they sent me. I have not opened any of it. I took it out of the bag that it arrived in just to look at it and make sure everything was in good condition and the correct thing that I ordered. But I have not unbowed or undone anything. I have not opened anything, so I am so excited. It's kind of like a reveal for the both of us. I spent hours and hours and hours scrolling on their website because I couldn't decide. I wanted everything, and I'm just really excited with the pieces that I chose. Our home style and decor, I really love older, more like character-filled homes, and this house is a little bit older, but they did renovate it before we bought it and made it a little bit more modern. So now John and I are trying to add in more character and just like dimension to the home. Throughout the main areas of the house, everything's pretty neutral: blacks, chocolate brown, beiges, creams, greens. But for the bedrooms, I really wanted to add pops of blue and color. I wanted to keep the same aesthetic, but I wanted to be a little bit more fun. I wanted to make it feel almost like a little coastal, but more like lake house than coastal, if that makes any sense. I wanted to like add the blues and like add some greenery and add some warmth, but also keep it colorful. If a lake house and a coastal house had a baby, that's the vibe I was going for. I'll insert a couple inspo photos from Pinterest that I pinned when trying to put together my thoughts and design behind this home, and then maybe you'll better understand what I'm trying to accomplish here. The furniture in our master bedroom is a dark walnut with like a really beautiful like rattan detail on the doors and on the drawers. And then the furniture in our guest bedroom right now is black with a white bed. I do plan on replacing the bed in the future, but we already had it and we didn't want to spend the money, so we kept it. So right now it's black and white, and we're adding blue details. I want to paint all of the walls blue and add like a really beautiful crown molding and do like a beautiful gallery wall in there. I have a lot of ideas in inspo, so keep that in mind and all of these inspo photos that I just showed you in mind when I'm showing you guys this stuff. All of the bedding is going in the master, and then just the curtains are going to go in the spare bedroom. So first up, we have, I believe, a set of sheets. Okay, I I went with a linen blue and white striped sheet. I am obsessed with these. It is this beautiful baby blue and white linen. I love the pattern. I love the color and the material. And I am so excited to put these on our bed. It came with 2 pillow covers. So we have these. And then it came with a bottom tight sheet. We actually don't use a top sheet, like the loose sheet, we don't use that. We only use a tight bottom sheet, and I love the fact that Quince has the option to get a top sheet or not get a top sheet. There is a price difference as well, so if you don't use it, then it's perfect. You don't have to pay for it. And a lot of places actually don't give you that option. Usually if you buy a set of sheets, you're getting the whole thing regardless, and it's always so much more expensive. So that's one thing that I noticed scrolling on the website that I really liked. You have so many more options, and you can really customize what you're going for. You can bundle different things together. You don't have to just buy one full set and just deal with it. You can really make it your own. Okay, next is our duvet cover. This is the Luxe Honeycomb duvet cover. We have a king size bed, and I got the undyed color for this. I wanted it to look very natural and raw. I didn't want the duvet to be colored. I wanted it to just be as plain and natural as possible, but I really wanted it to have a fun texture. It actually comes in a dust bag, which is so nice. If you want to switch out your duvet between seasons or switch it up, you have something to protect it while it is put away in storage or like in a linen closet. This is the pattern. It is a honeycomb. I just really loved the texture. I feel like it adds so much character to the bedding. So here is a look at the actual duvet. It's just all folded up nice and neat, but at least you can see the pattern and the color. It's just a really beautiful, natural, creamy white. So we are going to be decorating together, and I am going to show you the whole process, the whole master bedroom, and kind of walk you through just everything, but that will be in a separate vlog. Next up is the blanket that I chose. I really wanted to get a big, comfy, cozy, nice woven blanket, and I really wanted to go for a cooler blue. So this is the color blue that I went with. I love it so much. I think it's the perfect dark blue without being too dark. Like, it's a really good in between of a navy blue and like a medium blue. I love the coolness of it, and I think it's just the perfect color to add a little bit extra to the bedding. It is 100% cotton, dry clean only, and it is so soft, so well made, super thick and comfy and cozy. I cannot wait to sleep with this. Next up, I actually ordered us 2 100% mulberry silk pillowcases in light blue. These are going to go on the pillowcases that we sleep on every night, and then the striped ones are going to be more like decorative and on larger pillows for when we make the bed. John and I have used silk pillowcases since we started dating almost 6 years ago, and we love them. There is just nothing like it. It is this really beautiful light blue, 100% silk. The quality is amazing, and I love that on the end of the pillowcase it actually zips, so you do not have to worry about it pulling off of your pillow while you're sleeping or getting messed up. It's just gonna fit perfectly on a king size pillow, and it's gonna look so nice. If you get hot while you sleep, it's so cooling and soft. It makes such a difference. And then next up, I wanted to get a larger pillowcase for like a decorative pillow. These are huge, and I am so excited to put these on the bed. I have to order the pillow inserts for them, but I really feel like it's gonna make the bed feel so master, and it's gonna really tie together the bedding with the quilt and the pillowcases and the sheets. Like, it's just gonna really pull everything together and make it just feel like the next level. Something I loved about this was the detail on the front. I loved the stitching and the pattern with the stripes. I felt like it just added such a fun, like, lake house cottage vibe. It just adds so much with like such a little detail, and I think it's just darling, and I cannot wait to put pillows in these and to put them on our bed. Last but certainly not least are the curtains that I ordered for our guest bedroom. These curtains are such good quality. They are so thick, They are absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to hang these up. Oh my gosh, you guys, wait till you see these. They are the most beautiful color. They are blackout, as you can see from the backing, and they are so easy to hang. You have two options. You can slide the curtain rod through here, or you can use these on the outside. It really just depends on the style you're going for, but I think the color is just so beautiful, and I think it's gonna look really good with everything else that we have going in the guest bedroom. I feel like it's gonna add such a luxurious feel to the guest bedroom, and I cannot wait to put up curtains and show you guys how everything pulls together. That is everything from my home haul with Quince. Quince, thank you so much again for partnering with me on today's video. I am beyond grateful. One of my favorite brands, and it's always such an honor to be able to work with you guys and share so many things that I love with my audience. If you guys liked anything from today's haul, it'll all be down in the description box for you guys to shop. Black Friday is coming up, so keep an eye out for Quince's sales, new arrivals, and pieces going into the winter season. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you